Hey there! Welcome to our tutorial on how to integrate 123FormBuilder with Mailchimp. If you want to automatically send form submissions to your email lists, you're in the right place. Stick around and we'll walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, log in to your 123FormBuilder account and open the form you want to connect with Mailchimp. Now head over to the Integrations tab, and from the list of available integrations, find and select Mailchimp. To get your Mailchimp API key, log into your Mailchimp account and go to your profile settings by clicking on your username in the top right corner. From there, navigate to Extras and choose API keys from the drop-down menu. Click Create a key, add a suggestive name for it, and Mailchimp will generate a unique API key for you. Once it appears on the screen, simply copy the key as we'll need it to connect Mailchimp with 123FormBuilder. Now go back to 123FormBuilder, paste the API key into the integration box, and click Save. Now let's customize the integration settings. You can either add a subscriber or unsubscribe an email, but only one action can be selected per integration. In this case, we'll update existing subscribers, though you can also enable double opt-in to require confirmation before adding new contacts. Just note that these two options cannot be used together. Next, map your form fields to the corresponding Mailchimp fields, ensuring that required fields in Mailchimp are properly matched. To avoid errors, we strongly recommend making these fields required in your form as well. After mapping the fields, hit Save, and that's it. Before finishing up, let's run a quick test to make sure everything is working. Fill out your form with test data and hit Submit. Then, go to your Mailchimp account and check if the new contact appears in your audience list. If the contact is there, your integration is set up successfully. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy form building.